In this video, we will demonstrate how you can use Python and Ellipsis Drive to retrieve the exposure levels at certain locations to a given set of hazards. As a first step, we import the packages and declare the token which we'll be using for authentication. We aim to get the exposure levels at the locations of interest with respect to the following 4 hazard layers, which are already placed in Ellipsis Drive. 1. A raster layer with an earthquake heat map. 2. A vector layer with buffered hurricane tracks. 3. A raster layer with landslide probabilities. And 4. A vector layer with wildfire footprints. Now let's retrieve the exposure levels of the following 5 locations in the USA. We loop over the hazard layers to retrieve the exposure to each of the specified hazards. The result is a data frame in which we can find the exposure level of each location with respect to each hazard. That was easy. See you in the next one.